All right, Kia Soul. I'm going to change this wire harness that's in here that contains the input and the output speed sensor. And I'm going to show you what you got to do to take it off. First, you got to take off the pan. Just show this pan. This pan come off right here, so the bolt's easy to take loose. And you may have to get some from the top, but actually getting to this is what's important. You have bolts here on the side here, and you have these bolts right here. You got to get right here. Alright, so I already got them loose. This one here is a number 12. This is the rooster comb spring. Alright, so now, well, let me get those out. I already had them out, but 1, 2, 3, 4. We have this one here. This one is the one that's the longest. Make sure you set them to the side by themselves. You got to get the ones up here. And then you take these bolts that's on this plastic. It's like a film, electronic film. All right, then this come out and this come off and over to the side. Then you can take this valve body up and out. Okay, pay attention to this part right here. Right here. This part is the manual shaft, and it go when you put it up, it must go inside this slot here. You don't want to miss that slot. Okay, now let's put this valve body down. Now you got to get these bolts here. 1, 2. The input and output speed sensors are these two here. Which one, I'm not sure exactly, but you can look that up in the manual and you see which one is what. But to change one, you keep getting an output speed sensor code, so the owner wants these changed. So you're going to have to take this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt loose. Let's get it.
I know 4 keys, so can't move that.
Okay, this is sensors right here. Now, I have to let this down because this is going to come out from the top, and I didn't disconnect the top. Oh, this part here, I'm gonna have to disconnect this top one, so I'm gonna have to let this down. Could have done this first, but I didn't. Let me see if I can get this out without having to take this part off. Alright, let's let this down. Alright, this plastic piece here, this gotta come up. It got a thing that comes up. This kind of come up out of the way, and somehow that's gonna have to be pushed down. Okay, it has a bolt here that holds this up, so we gotta move this bolt remove it. Move this out the way, this holder, and then push this down. All right.
We'll do what I do.
You may end up having to take this manual position switch off, but I'm gonna try to do it. Nope, I was able to get it through. That's good. Pushed it through. All right, now we're going back to the bottom. All right, we're back to this Kia Soul. Right now I have the new parts here. This looks like it's fits all T211436AB. That comes with the input and output speed sensor. That's that one. And then you have T211446A, and that is this part here that has the electronic film on it. At first I thought they came together. And what they did, they sent me this. I said I want everything because the film can get bad too. And here we're trying to figure out a problem. It has wires running through there, and the owner wants to change everything on the inside. So, well, actually the input and output speed sensor, but I'm changing everything that has to do with anything electrical in there that could be causing an issue. So now we're going to put this back in, push it through the hole up there, a brand new one. This piece here connects into here like this. Okay, now you have that pushed in. Okay, now we're going to put this inside behind the valve body and put the valve body back up. Always make sure that you take some sandpaper and sand down the gasket mating surface. Make sure it's maybe a 200 grit, because you don't want to make deep gouges in them. So you have a very good mating surface. What I did, I put some lubrication around this O-ring and up where it's going to be pushed through so that it will slide easily. Okay, one of these. This is gonna go in there like that, so that's gonna be looked at this way. Tell you the truth, probably be best to take this off. Let me see. I took this part off here, so I think it'll be easier. Just put it in. Let me see here. Okay, got it. Okay. Guess what, folks? After putting this in, I find out that the bolt holes don't line up with what is inside the transmission. So they gave me the wrong part. So this got to come out again.
Oh, gosh.
So you get this at times. Now I'm gonna have to wait another day for them to send me the right one.
Oh, my God.
I'll show you what I meant. Alright, if you look at right here, you see that this hole is spaced here. And if you look at this one, you will see that this hole is closer, so it doesn't bolt up. See how far away these holes are. What happens with the aftermarket, see how far away they are? Furthermore, this is not in the same position. Okay, this is here, this one, well, this is, okay, so it's the holes. It's not lined up. This is further away. So this part is over here when it should be over here. So now I gotta call them back and tell them they sent me the wrong thing. Okay, this happens. You end up spending another day or two until they sent the right one.